Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do this look. It's a neutral on top and then it's a blue color on your lower lashes. And I think I'm going to call it Luau on the Beach. It reminds me of the sand on the top and then kind of like the ocean color on the bottom and like the sky. I'm going to wear this to a party tomorrow. It's just a birthday party, but it looks really pretty. You can wear it like anywhere. It's a pretty natural look anyways. It's a neutral pop, if you want to call it that, neutral color pop. But I really like this video. It was really fast, actually. So let's get into the video, and please leave requests down below. And this is kind of what it looks like up close. So yeah, I'm not going to do a room tour or my makeup collection yet because I'd like to get more people subscribing to me, but let's get into it. Okay, so what we're going to need to do is prime our eyes, and I'm going to use the NYX eyeshadow base in the color ESB03, which is just a nude color. And just blend that into your eye. Not your eye, your eyelid. All the way up to your brow. You could also take some of the color underneath because if you see we have blue under there. So if you really want that to stay like a really long time, more than a day, then you're going to want to put some underneath. But I find that this stays pretty fine. Next you're going to need a flat shader brush. This is a Claire's eyeshadow brush that just came in a kit. And then you're going to need the Claire's eyeshadow palette. And we're first going to need the champagne color right there. And just get that all over. Tap off any excess. And just place that all over your lid. And then with the leftover, just go under your brow bone. And then bring the color down. This is the exact same eye look on the top when I did the neutral eye rainbow color pop. Then you're going to take this, it's kind of a darker color of the champagne, but it has a red undertone. And then place that all over the champagne on your eye lid. Then you're going to take this like chocolatey, dark, goldy brown right there with a crease brush, and I'm going to be using a crease brush from Target. Get that all over, and just place that into your crease. All the way in too. Then you're going to want to use a blending brush. This is a crease brush from Sonia Kashuk, but I use it to blend. You're just going to blend on that harsh line. And then you're going to take the crease brush again, and you're going to get this rusty, metallic-y red color right there. And just put that on top of the brown for your crease. Okay, and then just blend that out. Then we're going to take a seafoam greeny color, and it's going to look just like that. It's kind of a minty blue seafoam green color. And you're going to take that on a flat shader brush, just with the Claire's one, and you're going to tap off a lot of excess and put that just in the corner so you can see it. But then, once you put some in the inner corner, put the rest under your brow. So that's why you want to tap off a lot of excess, because you don't want a really like brown and green highlight. Okay, then last, you're going to take a mixture of this blue and then this blue for underneath. So you're going to take a mixture of those on the flat shader brush, tap off any excess, and start to line. Okay, and then last you're going to take, I said last like 3 times, you're going to take this, like, not this darkest blue, but this blue. It's like a really bright oceany blue. I'm going to take just on the tip of your brush and put it just right on the edge of your lower lashes. So then if you see it, like, fades from dark to light. Going in. So I think I'm going to call this Luau at the Beach or Party at the Beach. One of those. Then you're going to take an e.l.f. waterproof eyeliner pen in the color coffee. You can use black, but I use the color coffee. And I'm going to try staying in the frame and line your upper lash line. You're going to kind of wing it out a little bit. Okay, I hope I stayed in the frame for that. And then you're going to curl your lashes and put mascara on. And I'm going to use the Maybelline New York, the Colossal Volume Express mascara. And this is not in waterproof, but if you're actually going to a luau on the beach, you might want waterproof. And I'm going to put a little bit on my lower lashes as well. Okay. And that completes the look. You can also take, like, a corally pink and put it on your lips, and then a soft pink. But I'm kind of running out of time because I have to go somewhere. So, thanks for watching. Bye.